Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Candy Crush Saga application. To change your profile picture in Candy Crush Saga, open up your Candy Crush Saga application on your device, and once you end up in this section, tap on Retrieve My Progress. In order to change your profile picture in Candy Crush Saga, make sure that you have logged in with your King account. So in order to log in with your King account, go to the Login with Email option at the bottom. Now enter your King account's credential, that is your email and password, in the respective text boxes and tap on Login in green. After you do that, you will then be able to log into your account. You will see your profile picture in this page. After you are logged in, simply tap on the little camera icon if available within your profile picture, and this will directly take you to the Change Your Avatar Image section. Tap on Change Image, and you have an option to select your photo library or take a picture from your device's camera. To take a picture from your device's camera, tap on Take Photo. Take a picture for yourself, and you will then be able to apply it as your profile picture or avatar image. To select an existing picture from your camera roll, tap on Photo Library. From your camera roll, choose the picture you'd like to use as your profile avatar or image and tap on Done at the top right once you are confirmed that you'd like to use this image. Soon after you do that, you will see this page where you can adjust your image, drag it in the correct area that you want it to appear, and then tap on Save Image. Wait for a couple of minutes and then the application will update your profile picture. So that was how you can change your profile picture in Candy Crush Saga if you are connected via King account. If you are using Facebook account to log in, then the profile picture in Candy Crush Saga will automatically sync in with your Facebook profile picture. So that is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.